What's up, MC Squad?
That's my line.
I took it today. Go ahead. You do it better anyway.
What's up, MC Squad? It's Kanye.
Hey, Cayman.
And we're
back.
We're not back.
We are back.
No, we are not back because
We're
this is
not.
the first episode of Cooking with
MC Forever. Alright.
You didn't have to do all that. I didn't have to say with MC Forever. This is the very first episode of Cooking with MC. As you can see here, we are well prepped and ready for this challenge. Cameron still has a spoon in the breadcrumbs. Okay. But alright, MC Squad. So today we're cooking
chicken parmesan.
I'm gonna pop up a picture in one of these corners.
She never had chicken parmesan before, guys.
I've never had chicken parmesan before, so this is my first time cooking and eating it. So we have a recipe here. I'm not popping up the recipe, but yeah. But
we do have a recipe that we're following.
We do have a recipe that we're following. We have everything. This is our, well, we have more than 4 because it's like there's a lot of people in this house. But this is our chicken breast. You know, we don't use black pepper and salt to season, so we have our onion powder, our seasoned salt, and our, well, this is onion powder, this is garlic powder, because we don't use salt and pepper to season. It's weird. It's weird. We have our 2 eggs, which are already pre-beaten because you know what it is. This is a mixture of what?
Breadcrumbs and
Parmesan.
oh yeah, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, and another thing of breadcrumbs too.
Yeah, and another kind of breadcrumbs. But
yeah.
This is the mixture. What else? Oh, this is our mozzarella cubes, our 4th cup of mozzarella cubes. This is our 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. This is our cup of vegetable oil. This is our well-chopped basil. Our 2 tablespoons of flour. Our 1/2 cup of tomato sauce. And
That's it.
And that's it. Those are all the ingredients that we're gonna be using.
And on the side, we have pasta and green beans.
Did your phone die?
And the phone died. So now we're gonna have to go off of the recipe.
We're not going off of no recipe. We're gonna wait for this phone to charge. We'll be back in 3, 2, 1. We are back. What is that? We are back, y'all. We're using the table because our counter is not, big enough for us to be showing y'all and be on there. So. more tomato sauce, honestly, too. Yeah, we might need some more tomato sauce. We made a bigger portion in it, so.
Yeah, let's just get a whole bunch of tomato sauce.
Did I put it in the refrigerator?
Nope, I didn't. It's right there by the peanut butter.
Alright, y'all, this is tomato sauce we're using. So we just go. Let me get a spoon.
Shoot.
Wait!
Baby, I just don't get it.
Open this. You just ready to go right here.
When you live together, that's what you have to look forward to. Open this. You gotta do all the lifting stuff. Open this. Do that. Open that. What else I gotta do for you?
Can you get this if it's too hot? Alright, y'all, so this tomato sauce is on there evenly.
Cheese. I'll sprinkle this on. I think we're supposed to do basil first.
Basil? This is our basil. So.
No, I don't think so.
Hey, where's the phone?
Here, let's do this.
What is that?
Parmesan.
But,
Well.
oh, more Parmesan.
How you do that, Kaya?
This is not the job for you.
No, it's not. I was good at my little other job, putting the chicken in the eggs.
Well, that job was easy. Alright, so there's the... I thought you said the basil.
No, I think the basil will go on top.
So why you just didn't get another... Why you just have 2 pieces of Parmesan? I mean, the mozzarella.
Why you yelling at me?
Because I don't understand. What are you doing?
Well, we gotta get the cheese right.
Okay, man, you got enough cheese over here. You don't got no cheese over there.
Oh, that was.
And I feel like this is the last thing we were supposed to do.
No, I think the basil was.
I don't think so. I think the cheese was supposed to go on top so like you don't see the chicken.
Oh, well, go ahead. Go ahead and do the basil. Yeah, that look good. Kaya, are you mad at me?
Yep, I am. I don't think I want that cheese.
Fine, let's see what.
I wish you stopped throwing cheese. Okay, give me some more.
It's already melting the cheese, right? Alright.
Alright, how long we popping in the oven for? Where's your phone? Alright, y'all, so this is the end result. The timer's so low. Oof, it looks so good, y'all. But we'll show you plated. Sorry, this food got me. Thank you. But we'll show it plated. This looks so good, y'all. Like,
It's still sitting.
it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good.